Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about the shoutout for shoutout strategy, and I will show you how you can use the shoutout for shoutout strategy to grow your Instagram account, okay? And what the shoutout for shoutout strategy basically is that you search for accounts that have nearly the same size as you, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit smaller, and what you do is you post one of their posts and they post one of their you post one of their posts and they post one of your posts, right? And you tag each other, okay? And you write a caption, okay, follow this guy and follow this guy. You can do it in the feed, you can do it in the story. What then happens is that you exchange your followers with someone else, okay? What you, for example, want to make sure is that those accounts always have the same engagement or nearly the same engagement as you have it, right? Because if they don't, then you will make a lose, okay? So you will lose followers. For example, you will gain 100 followers and he will gain, I don't know, 500 followers, okay? And that wouldn't make any sense over time, right? So always make sure that you do shoutouts for shoutouts with someone who has the same size and same engagement as you, maybe even bigger or better, okay? And we can now, for example, take a look at one of my pages here, Fuck Millions, Make Billions, and we can take a look at what, for example, I did here on this account, right? Because I've been running some shoutout for shoutouts on that account too. So basically, what we did is, here's one of the posts. I did a shoutout for shoutout with influencer agency, okay? We can take a look at the post, okay? We have lots, like a slideshow of 10 different posts, I think, from that Instagram account. And at the end, we have that call to action that says, okay, follow this account. And then the caption we have from 1 to 8, which is best, you know, which post of the slideshow is the best. And then we have the call to action. Follow my favorite page, influencer or agency. They motivate me each and every single day because to become the best version of myself. Let me know if you like the page. And then we have the call to action here. Very important, 3 times the username so that people can simply click on it, take a look at the account, and then follow if they like the account, right? So, and that's what you can basically do is you can run shoutout for shoutouts with lots of accounts. You can run like 1 shoutout, 2 shoutouts per day, especially if you have like a brand page like this, like a motivational quotes niche page or a business like a page in the business niche. And if you post like 5 times per day in that niche, right, you probably won't do that in a personal brand, but especially when you have like a brand account, one of these niches, for example, in the business niche, in the motivational quotes niche, in the travel niche, luxury niche, cars niche, whatever, okay, you can probably will then post 5 times or 6 times per day. Once you have like some followers, right, at the beginning, it wouldn't make any sense, but like once you have your first 10,000-15,000 followers, you can start posting 5, 6, 7 times per day. And then 1 or 2 or 3 out of these posts can be shoutout for shoutouts, okay? So you can just exchange your followers with other people. And the cool thing is, like if you follow the AVR formula, if you follow all the stuff that you learned before, then you will like profit more from it because you will be able to turn your followers into true fans. With the AVR formula, you will be able to get lots of engagement because like with the AVR formula, you will make people stick to your content, you will make people take a look at your content, and then over the time, you will just have a huge profit from those shoutout for shoutouts, right? And yeah, here's another one. We can take a look at that shoutout too. Mental Drive. He also has a slideshow with some of his best posts. So if you do a slideshow like this, want to make sure that you take the best posts that you ever created, just rank them by the amount of likes that you have, and then make sure that you have a call to action, for example, like this. Okay, your wait for the best motivational page is over. Go follow Mental Drive. Okay, then we have this account over here, and look, I'm also doing like shoutout for shoutouts with smaller accounts. Why? Because I basically know that I am able to turn those followers that I will get from him into money, right? And he will not. So, yeah, that's why I'm always doing shoutout for shoutouts when I try to grow an account. And you should do the same. It's an amazing way how you can grow your Instagram account. If you have any questions, you can just ask me one of the live calls of the VIP program or send me a message on Instagram. And yeah, with apps like Photoshop or Fonto that you can download on the phone, or with, for example, now I forgot the name, my bad. But with canva.com, you can just type it into Google Chrome or into Google and go to canva.com, and you can create promotions like this with that app, right? Okay, yeah, that's basically the shoutout for shoutout strategy. You want to make sure that you run that like on a daily basis. If you want to grow your Instagram account, you can do it in the feed, you can do it in story, you can do it with IGTV videos. You can basically just do it everywhere, okay? So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask me in the live calls in the Mastermind channel or message me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys